What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go.
Check this out, 71 Dodge. For sale now. They want $13K or make offer. 318 mixed. What else? D100 long bed truck. It's a decent truck. Yeah. Check this out. They want 65K. Challenger Hellcat. Has a 6.2 supercharged V8. This is nice. There's a number. 2017 with 16,000 miles. Got a TJ here. Casey lights. That's why 5,500. 59 wagon. Got the title. It's asking 18.5 for best offer. That's the contact information. I'll tell you what, these wagons are becoming more and more desirable. Every year, they're just getting higher and harder to buy and more expensive. And this thing looks solid, for sure. That's cool.
About 59, so this is how they finally let the Plymouth have its own tail fins again for the wagons, where like in 57 and 58 they all use like a corporate tail fin.
Yeah, Cornet here, 440. 66 convertible, 28.5, but it does have a reconstructed title. It was restored in 96. Now, just to mention the reconstructed title, now in Pennsylvania, when you take a car that's either for parts or salvage, you can turn it into reconstructed title with a proper inspection and get it done. And some of the older cars have them, but you have to really check with your state, because some states you got to go through the whole process of getting inspected, and some states have different, like California is really hard to get one. So a reconstructed title in PA might be much harder to get it registered in California or in one of the states out west. Just a heads up, guys, in case you didn't know that. We got this little Charger here, 66 for 15. You like these body styles. Some people love them, some people hate them. I'm not a huge fan. What do you think, Chris? You a fan of the body style?
I am not. It looks like too much of a Barracuda to me.
There you go. What do you guys think, viewers? Leave us a comment down below. You into the 66 style Charger or not? Yay or nay?
For sale. SRT. Has a Whipple supercharger.
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's 2010, 2011. Oh, it's a classic vehicle, so it must be older than that.
Yeah, just
Check this out. .1 Hemi SRT8. One owner, 41.
Yeah, 67 Barracuda Formula S, one owner. He's looking for $65,000. It is a one owner car. Looks like it's a 4-speed, 383. If you're looking for a car like this body, and this is the one you're after, this is the one to buy, one owner. It's all original paint, all documented.
Survivor.
True survivor. I mean, the price is high, but it's not, because it's one of one. If you're looking for one like this is the one to buy. It was bought new, original owner. Like, come on, you're not really gonna find a car like this. You put it in the garage and forget about it type of car. Alright guys, 70 Challenger RT 440 matching engine. He's asking 85 grand for it. Car is all there for sure, for sure. It's definitely garage clean. Contact info if anybody's interested. It looks good. Looks real good. Got nice lines. We'll head over here. Looks like it's got a 440 in it. 69 Belvedere. 27,000 original miles. He wants 75K. There's his number. These have really gone up in price. I've seen these Belvederes and GTXs. They were commanding crazy money. They dropped a little bit, but then they started going back up again.
All right, well, thank you very much.
High price tag on this one. Okay, got 73 Duster, 4-speed, 20.99. Four-speed car. Looks pretty solid. Not bad at all.
Flatbed.
Look at that flatbed after that. And behind it, we got a 79 pickup truck, 29.9. Probably the same owner. That's cool. A short bed truck, but I think it's way overpriced in my opinion. I don't know, what do you guys think? Struck for almost 30K. Got some high dollar cars in here. And telling me here, there's a number. $72 stamp.
Here's another stamp.
What's up there? It's not terrible.
It must be our fiberglass.
What's the rust back here? It's like front door. Take a look at this Charger here. That's from Ontario. Taking offers. I'll see a number. Looks like a Dodge Ram Charger. 86, 8,500.
You can tell by
This is not a horrible price.
Yeah, it's definitely molested.
Yeah, it's a problem. The rust up here.
Now this competes with the Blazers, right?
Mm-hmm. K5s,
Yeah.
the Broncos. Yeah, I like this.
Riding in the back when I was a kid, the big back seat and the little sunroof back there.
A nice restoration. Or
decided we just ought to go over there and do it.
We got another Dart over here. Convertible. Little price on it. Looks like it's a Maryland number. The body looks pretty straight, believe it or not. Looks like it was a barn find sitting tucked in a barn.
Texas car.
Is it?
Yeah.
Where do you see that? Yeah, Fort Plate, Texas. Somebody pulled that out of a barn. Guys, take a look at this Challenger convertible. Guys asking $89.9 the best offer. There's the contact information. Guessing 70, 71. What is it, guys? You let me know what year. What do you think? Nice looking car. But it's definitely got a steep price. That's the one thing here so far. The rough stuff is selling for rough money. The nice stuff is nice money. No great deals. You're paying up for cars. So we'll see. Anything over here for sale? No. Alright guys, got a 70 Dart Swinger, 6K. It's an inline 6. This thing is cheap. But it's cheap for a reason. Let me show you what we're talking about. The body's not too bad. It looks solid on the outside, but what I'm afraid of, and I'll climb under it, if you look at the tag, it's originally from New York. And if you follow our channel, I hate buying cars out in New York because there's usually a lot of frame rot. And as you can see, you can start seeing the holes there, down at the bottom. That's just because of all the salt they use. I'm not going to climb under it, I can already tell. But if you're interested in a cool project, there it is, guys. Not bad. 74. 4-speed. 28, the best offer. It seems like it was a barn find. Got some rust and stuff, I don't know. But numbers there for you guys if you want to give them a call. It says best offer on it. $440. 73 Dart, $340. Numbers matching, all original, barn find. Definitely needs some work. Full restoration on this one, guys.